Hello and welcome to English Audio Lab. I'm Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We're so glad you're here to practice English with us today.
Today we have a very common topic. It's something that happens to everyone sometime.
That's right. We are talking about waking up late. That feeling when you open your eyes and realize you should have been awake 30 minutes ago.
Exactly. In this lesson, we will teach you the essential words and phrases to talk about this situation, both for work and with friends.
It's going to be really useful. So let's get started. Alicia, let me ask you, have you ever woken up very late for something important?
Oh, definitely. I remember one time a few years ago, I had an early morning flight. I set three different alarms because I was so worried about missing it.
3 alarms? That's very careful.
I thought so, but somehow I slept through all of them. I woke up just 1 hour before the flight was supposed to leave.
Oh no, what did you do?
I was in such a panic. I got dressed in 2 minutes, threw everything into my suitcase, and ran out the door. I was in a huge rush.
In a rush. That's a perfect phrase for this situation. Did you make the flight?
Amazingly, yes, I was the last person to get on the plane. It was very stressful.
What a story. Your story gives us our first important word. The word is oversleep.
That's a crazy story. It's amazing you made it. What about you, Trevor? Do you have any stories about oversleeping?
To oversleep. It's one word. Oversleep. To oversleep. It means to sleep longer than you plan.
Right. In my story, I overslept. Let's practice saying this in a sentence. We'll say it slowly first so you can repeat. Ready? I overslept this morning.
Let's try that again slowly. I overslept this morning.
Now, let's say it at a natural, normal speed. I overslept this morning.
You can pause and practice saying it yourself. I overslept this morning.
Now, sometimes you oversleep, and sometimes there's a reason. A very common reason is about your alarm. You can say, my alarm didn't go off.
My alarm didn't go off. This means your alarm clock did not make a sound. Maybe the battery was dead, or maybe you forgot to set it.
Exactly. Let's practice that sentence. First, slowly. My alarm didn't go off.
One more time, slowly. My alarm didn't go off.
And now at a natural speed. My alarm didn't go off.
This is a great sentence to use when you need to give a reason for being late.
Okay, so you've overslept. Now what happens next? You have to get ready very, very quickly. Alicia used a great phrase earlier. She said, I was in a rush.
In a rush. This means you are moving fast because you don't have much time. You can also say, I'm in a hurry. They mean the same thing.
Let's practice a sentence with this phrase. Let's say a friend calls you, but you don't have time to talk. You can say, sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm in a rush.
Let's say that slowly. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm in a rush.
And at a natural speed, sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm in a rush.
So far, we have oversleep, my alarm didn't go off, and in a rush. These are all very useful.
Now, let's talk about the most important part, communicating with other people. You need to tell your boss, your teacher, or your friend that you will be late.
This can be a little nerve-wracking. What's the best way to say it?
A great polite phrase is, I'm running late. This is very common and natural. It means you're on your way, but you will arrive after the scheduled time.
I'm running late. I hear this one a lot. It sounds much more natural than just saying, I am late.
Yes, it's a very active phrase. Let's practice it slowly. I'm running late.
Natural speed. I'm running late. You can also add how much time. For example, I'm running about 15 minutes late.
That's very helpful information to give. Okay, let's put this into a real life situation. Let's practice with a dialogue.
Great idea. Let's do a role play.
Situation 1. You need to call your boss to tell them you are running late for work. I will be the employee, and Alicia, you will be the boss.
Okay, I'm ready. The phone is ringing. Hello, this is Alicia.
Hi, Alicia. It's Trevor. I'm calling to let you know that I'm running a little late this morning. I'm very sorry. I overslept.
Okay, Trevor. Thanks for calling to let me know. Do you know when you'll be here?
I should be there in about 30 minutes. I'm on my way now.
All right, drive safely. See you soon.
Thank you. Bye.
That was a great example. It was clear, polite, and professional.
Let's look at the key sentences I used. First, I said, I'm calling to let you know that I'm running a little late this morning. This is a very polite and professional way to start.
To let you know. That's a good phrase. It means to inform you.
Yes. Then I gave a simple reason. I overslept. You don't need to give a long story, just be honest and simple.
And you also said when you would arrive. I should be there in about 30 minutes. That's very helpful for the boss.
Exactly. Let's practice that main sentence again. Listen and repeat. I'm running a little late this morning.
Slowly. I'm running a little late this morning.
Naturally, I'm running a little late this morning.
Okay, so that's a formal situation for work. What about a casual situation, like with a friend?
Good question. The language is more relaxed and informal. Let's do another role play. This time, we are friends meeting for coffee. I will send you a text message because I am late. I will read my text aloud.
Okay, I'll read my reply out loud too. So I'm at the coffee shop waiting for you.
Mimicking texting. Hey Alicia, so sorry. I'm running late. I totally overslept. I should be there in 15.
Mimicking texting back. Hey, no worries at all. See you when you get here.
See the difference? The language is much more casual. I said, I totally overslept. The word totally makes it sound more informal and strong.
Right, and my reply, no worries at all, is a very common and friendly way to say it's not a problem.
Let's practice the casual phrase. Listen and repeat. So sorry, I'm running late.
Slowly. So sorry, I'm running late.
Naturally, so sorry, I'm running late.
This is perfect for a text message or a quick call to a friend.
Now, I want to talk about a small but important grammar point. It's a common mistake for learners.
Oh, okay, what is it?
Many learners say, I am late. This is grammatically correct, but it often sounds better to say, I'm running late.
What's the difference?
I'm running late is what you say when you are on your way. You are currently in the process of being late. I am late is what you say when you have arrived. For example, you walk into the meeting and say, sorry, I am late.
That makes sense. So if I am on the bus and I call my friend, I should say, I'm running late.
Perfect. That's exactly right. It's a small detail that will make your English sound much more natural.
Okay, time for a little listening practice. We are going to listen to a very short story. Just listen carefully and try to understand the main idea.
Ready? Here is the story. Yesterday morning was terrible for Mark. His phone died during the night, so his alarm didn't go off. He woke up at 9 a.m., but he had an important meeting at 9:30 a.m. across town. He was in a huge rush. He quickly sent a message to his boss that said, running very late. My apologies. On my way now.
Okay, a short and stressful story for Mark. I have a question for our listeners. Why did Mark wake up late?
Think about it for a moment. Alicia, what's the answer?
Mark woke up late because his phone died, so his alarm didn't go off.
Excellent. And what phrase did Mark use to describe his situation?
He said he was in a huge rush.
Perfect. We hope that listening practice was helpful for you. It's a great way to check your understanding.
It really is. And it's okay if you didn't understand everything. You can always go back and listen again.
All right, we have covered a lot of useful English today. Let's do a quick summary of the key phrases.
It's Speaking of avoiding these stressful situations, maybe we should talk about some ways to prevent oversleeping in the first place. Okay, first, when you sleep too long, you can say, I overslept.
That's a fantastic idea, Alicia. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, as they say. What's your number one tip? If your alarm clock doesn't work, you can say, my alarm didn't go off.
When you need to move very quickly, you can say, I'm in a rush or I'm in a hurry.
And when you are on your way, but you will arrive late, the best phrase is, I'm running late.
Those are all so useful. I feel much more confident about what to say in this situation.
That's our goal. We want you to feel confident. Remember, waking up late happens to everyone all over the world. It's a universal experience.
Though don't worry if it happens to you. The important thing is to communicate clearly and politely. And now you have the English phrases to do that.
Our best advice is to practice. Try to make your own sentences with these phrases. Imagine you are late for something. What would you say? What would you write in a text message?
Practice is the key. The more you use these phrases, the more comfortable you'll feel.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for joining us at English Audio Lab.
We hope this lesson was helpful. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep building your confidence. You are doing a great job.
Until next time, goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.